You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary in English that too many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, this is normally said as intuitiveness. 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 In American English, however, it is normally said as intuitiveness. Note the tu sound as the second syllable in American English rather than the tu sound. Intuitiveness in American English, or intuitiveness in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.